All right, we've got a basic paycheck calculation question, which takes us through some reading comprehension and arithmetic here. Pause the video if you like. Read through this paragraph so you know what I'm talking about. And then let's get this going again. Okay. So, first 40 hours of the work week, those are counted as regular time, and those are going to be at $14 per hour. All right, that's one piece of information. Here's the next piece of information. Additional hours are counted as overtime. All right, well, what is overtime paid at? That's 50% higher than regular. And here's the final piece of information. 62 hours in a week. Oh, and there's more. Everyone remember the first time you saw taxes on your paycheck? Yeah, that's a thing. So I've got 40 hours of regular time, a couple hours of overtime. Here's the total hours in green, and then purple gives me my deductions. So let's just walk through this. 40 hours times the regular pay rate of $14 an hour. Okay, so we got 40 hours times $14 per hour. Right there. And then, what do I have next? I've got some additional time here. Well, 62 hours, that's going to be 62 minus 40. That's how many hours of overtime I've got, which looks like 22 hours or something. 22 hours times 14 per hour times 1.5. Remember, there's that overtime bonus. So that 14 per hour is really going to be more like 21 per hour. We add these things up. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm adding these up, and definitely calculator time. 40 times 14 plus 22 times 21. Okay, I get $1,022. Sweet, made a lot of money. And turns out the government made a lot of money, and we did too, but those greedy government piglets like their share. So we've got 1022 minus 235. So the true amount of this paycheck is $787, not the original 1022 that you might have suspected. Okay, so there we go. That's how you calculate the basic idea of paycheck with overtime.